Hello, welcome to the channel. AQA GCSE Foundation Maths, June 17, so this is a 1 to 9 paper, and it's paper 2 with a calculator. So let's have a go and see what we can make on this one. Right, there we go, yeah, hang on. Pen's playing up, it's getting a bit short. Right, which is the most suitable for measuring the length of a tennis court? Oh, probably meters, I would imagine. Yeah, I would think so. There we go. Meters. Now, circle the multiple of both 8 and 12. Alright, so the 8 times table. 8 times table. It's 8, 16, 24, 32. Oh, that comes in there, but that's not a multiple of 12, is it? 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. 72, that's it, because 6 12s are 72. 3 over 2 is a decimal. Oh, it's a calculator paper, yeah. 3 divided by 2 as a decimal is 1.5. I don't know why I needed a calculator for that, but there you go. I used it anyway. Circle the correct statement. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? Minus 4 is, yeah, that's okay. Right, use a calculator to work out the square root of 701. So the square root of 701 is 26.476. Full calculator display 40459. Hundreds of numbers. Give your answers to one decimal place, 26.5. And the next one. A swimming pool has 3 changing rooms, male, female and family. The towel, or whatever it is, represents how many people? 8 people use the male, so that means that's got 4, so the towel represents 4 people. Complete the key. How many use the female? So 4, 4, 4, and that's 3. So 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 15. Next one. The manager has bought lockers for changing rooms. Why should she not use these results to decide to put them in? Right, probably, when did we do? Oh, during 1 hour, yeah. Always the same sort of answer here. Sample is too small. Here's a list of numbers. Work out the median. Median is the middle, so we've got to put them all in order. So 17, I'm going to cross them out as we go along. 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. Then we got a 23, and a 25, a 29, a 32, and a 36. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So there is the middle number, 23. Next one. Here's a map of a town which is northwest of the station. So there's north, there's west. Northwest of the station is that one there, library. Circle the 3 figure bearing from monument of the monument from the park. So we start at the park and we're going down to the monument. So we go clockwise there. That's 180 degrees. So that will be 180 degrees. What's the distance in meters from the cinema to the station? So I'm going to go back up here. From the cinema to the station. Cinema to the station. There. So we're going to measure that from the cinema to the station. I can't measure it on this, so I'm going to call it 6 centimeters. Yeah, 6 centimeters. So it's 6 times 200 meters. So 6 times 200 is 1200. 1200 meters. And so we're going to put, 1200 meters. Right. Why might the shortest walking distance from the cinema to the station be greater than your answer? Don't know. Maybe you might have to walk along streets, not in a straight line. Complete the bank statement. Okay. So we go. Starting balance, credit, debit, balance. Council tax, credit, debit, balance. Salary, credit, debit, balance. So we've got, first of all, we've got 212.48 in the bank, and then we're going to take away 128.39. So 212.48 take away 128.39. That gives us a balance of £84. £84 and 9p. Now onto that we're going to add 856 plus 856.21, which gives us £940 in the bank. It's looking good, isn't it? £940 and 30 pence. So £940 and 30 pence. So let's go on to question 10. So the first 10 questions in these exams are not too bad. They don't kill you, but it's the last few that get difficult. The average age of teachers at school is 36. Mr. Smith's age is 11/9 of the average. So 36 times 11/9. So 36 times 11 divided by 9. Mr. Smith looks as though he's 44. He's 44 years old. 4x minus 3 equals 14. So 4x, add 3 onto both sides, equals 17. So x equals 17 divided by 4, which is an awkward number, isn't it? 17 divided by 4 is 4.25. 4.25. 4 and a quarter. 4 and a quarter, that's... Yeah, I'm happy with that. You can put in decimals or fractions or anything like this. Right. Or ice creams. Right. Lee sells ice creams. The table shows the midday temperature for sale as 5 ice creams. 2 mistakes. Well, that's probably a mistake, isn't it? 17 degrees and 60. 17 and 80. So there's a mistake. And the line of best fit. The line of best fit is a bit wonky. It should be down there, shouldn't it, somewhere? Yeah. So day 3 coordinate, or whatever you want to call it, and the line of best fit is rubbish. Lee wants to work out the range of 5 temperatures. 30 take away 20 equals 10. Right, so the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest. So there's the largest and there's the small. Oh, he's done it from the 20. So it should be 30 take away 17. So is he wrong? He's wrong, isn't it? So it should be 30 minus 17, which equals 13. Here's the costs. Ingredients are 15% of the sales, and fuel is £7 a day. Work out his profit. Ingredients of 15. So we've got to work out what the sales are. Does it say what the sales are? Oh, so we've got to add up all these. So let's add them up here. 180 plus 150 plus 80 plus 130 plus 120 equals 660. So let's come back. So sales are £660. Now, ingredients are 15, so we've got to work out 660 times 15% is £99. So £99 for the ingredients. Fuel is £7 a day. Was it 5 days? 5 days, yeah. So the fuel is 7 times 5, which is 35. So 99 plus 35 is 134, and the profit will be 660. Take away 134 is 526. Let's just double check. What way 12C? 526. Yeah, that's fine. Well, we've got thousands of different ways of doing this. Right, 526. Number 13, unlucky for some. Okay, what size of angle X? All the way around is 360. So we've got 360, take away 21, take away 160, take away 36, take away the 90, and that will equal what X is. So 360, take away 21, take away 160, take away 36, take away 90, equals 53. In this question, use 1 kilo, 2.2 pounds, 1 stone, 14 pounds. Change 70 kilos into stones. So 70 kilos times 2.2 will change it into pounds. So 70 times 2.2 is 154 pounds. Now we've got to change that into stones. So 154 divided by 14 is 11. 11 stones. Here are some numbers. As an arithmetic progression. Okay, use 3 of the numbers to make a different arithmetic progression. Hey, so let's have a look at that. This is number 15. Use any 3 of the numbers to make a difference. So what we're doing, we're adding 5 onto that one. So add 3, no, there's 13, 15. What could we use? We could use 13, add 7 will make 20, and add another 7 will make 27. So the rule is add 7. There's some counters in a bag, are red or blue. 1/5 of the counters are red. Work out the ratio of red to blue. So red to blue, you've got 1/5 are red. So 1/5 of all the counters are red. So I would think it's 1 to 4. Yeah? Because say if you had 20 counters, yeah, and you did them in 1 to 4, so you add them up to get equal to 5, and 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So you'd have 4 red, and 4 times 4 is 16. You'd have 16 blue. So it's 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Right. Circle the fraction equal to 0.1%. Well, 1% is equal to 0.01. So 0.1%, is it going to be a bit smaller than that, 0.001? So that is a tenth, a hundred, a thousandth. So it's a thousandth. Ellen works for a company that sells cars. Hang on, let's make sure we got it right. So her monthly pay is a salary of that. 28% of the total profit of the company makes. 28% of the total profit the company makes from her sales. What does that mean? 28% of the total profit of the company makes from 28 of the total profit the company makes from her sales. A £250 bonus if she makes at least 15 cars. What was Ellen's total pay for the year? More than £40,000? Right, so first of all do the easy bit, because I didn't really understand that 28%. So 14 times 12, yeah, so that's that bit. So 1470 times 12 is 7640. Yeah. Total cost of the company, total income for the company, number of months when she sold 3. 28% of the profit the company makes from her sales. This is how she does this. So we're going to work out the profit. So income and cost. So 538,000 take away 464,500. That equals 538,000 minus 464,500. So that is 73,500. Now we've got to find out what 28% of that is. So 73,500 times 28% times 28 divided by 100 is 20580. 20580. Right. That's a year, yeah? So we're going to add number of months when she sold 15 cars is 3. A 250 bonus if she sells at least 15 cars. Oh, so we've got 3 times the bonus. Yeah. 3 times £250. That's another £750. So her total income is 17640 and 20580 and the £750 bonus. So 20580 plus 750 plus 17640. So she makes 38970. What's the question? Was Ellen's pay for the year more than £40,000? No. Ben and Katie throw darts at a target. Ben and Katie, what are you doing? Ben's ratio of hits to misses is 5 to 1. Katie's ratio of hits to misses is 3 to 1. Ben says 5 is bigger than 3, so I must have more hits than Katie. Give an example so this is not true. Perhaps if Katie threw a lot more times than Ben, it might work out. So it could be that like Ben hits 10 and misses 2, and Katie she might, let's multiply that up by 4. Katie might hit 12 and miss 4. So yeah, so what we've done there is we've doubled that one and we've multiplied that one by 4. So Katie can hit more than Ben, just that she's got to throw a lot more, yeah? A stupid question. Stupid question. Right, a code has 4 digits, each numbered 0 to 9. The code starts 541. Joe chooses a number at random for the last digit. Write down the probability that it chooses the correct number. Digits may be repeated. So he could have anything from 0 to 9 in there. So he's got 10. So it's a 1 in 10, surely. 1 in 10. Yeah, so he could have a 1 in 10. Or 10%. Yeah, because he can choose anything from which is 10 numbers. Yeah, and he's going to choose one at random. So Amy knows that the last digit is odd but not 7. She chooses a different odd number. What's that? Right, so the last digit is odd but not 7. So it could be 1, 3, 5 or 9. So she's only going to have a 4. 4 or 1 in 4 chance. But that's actually better, isn't it? Yeah. Eva thinks she can save water by having a shower instead of a bath. Eva's shower uses 10.8 litres per minute and lasts for 8 minutes. Eva assumes the water in the bath is the shape of a cuboid. Using these numbers, work out how many litres of water she saves by having a shower instead of a bath. Right, so the shower is 10.8 litres times 8. That'll tell us how many. So 10.8 times 8 is 86.4 litres. 86.4 litres. That's in the shower. And the bath is 110 by 50 by 35. So 110 times 50 times 35 is 192,500 centimetres cubed. Now we've got to convert that to litres. Look, divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So that equals 192.5 litres. Now to find out how much she saves, is 192.5 take away 86.4. 192.5 take away 86.4 is 106.1. Let's double check. 106.1 litres saving. Right. A shows the water level before Eva gets in. B shows the cuboid in the empty bath. What does this tell you about the amount of water saved? Well, I think the bath is bigger, isn't it? Yeah. Even more water saved. So work out the value of x as a decimal. So this is Pythagoras, so it's going to be 8 squared minus 3 squared equals x squared. So 64 minus 9 equals x squared. 64 take away 9 is 55 equals x squared. So x will equal the square root of 55, which equals the square root of 55 is 7.416. 7.416. I don't need it into decimals. No, 7.416. centimeters. They're not really, they don't say round it up or round it down or anything. So we won't. Ooh, Lily goes on a car journey. For the first 30 minutes, her average speed is 40 miles an hour. Right, first 30 minutes, her average speed is 40 miles an hour. So if she does 40 miles in 1 hour, in half an hour, which is 30 minutes, she's going to go 20 miles. So let's put 20 up there. Come along until we can join it, yeah? So assuming she's going at a constant speed, it's going to go up to there. Then she stops for 15 minutes. So we're going to get up to 45 and stop there for 15 minutes. Then she completes the journey at an average of 60 miles an hour, and the total journey time is 1 hour. So she's going to go total journey down there. Yeah, because it's 15 minutes. She's going to do 20 miles in 15 minutes. Well, she completes the journey at an average speed of 60 miles an hour. So she's only got 15 miles to go. The total journey, so we're just going to join that now. So it's going to do a quarter of an hour. 60 miles, so we've got 60 miles in 1 hour. Yeah, now we need a third of that, don't we? So it's 20 miles. It's going to be, that doesn't add up, does it? Write down the total average speed for the, oh, distance time, so we're not going back. Oh, she's still going away from home. So in 20 minutes, she's going to do a third. Hang on, right. We've got 15 minutes, which is a quarter of an hour. So in a quarter of an hour, she's going to go a quarter of that distance, which is 15. So it's going to go up to 35 by the time we get to the end there. Yeah. So, well, that should join, but yeah, it's okay. So it's going to go up to 35. Now what we're doing, write down the average speed. So total distance, so we've got this, let's come up here. So we've got, oh, what happened there? Let's get rid of that. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. So we've got this, speed, distance, time. So distance. So what we got to work out, we got the speed. Speed is the distance divided by the time. The distance is 35. The time is miles per hour. The time is 1. So that will equal 35 miles per hour. Right. Let's go. Pie chart. Voters in an election. 336 more women voted than men. Work out the total number. So let's do 110. 110. That's the same. So this bit must be the extra 3360 people. So if we do 360, take away 220. Oh, take away 220. Let's write that back. 360, take away 220, which equals 140 degrees. So this extra bit is represented by 140 degrees. Work out the total number of voters. So now if we go 3360 people divide by 140 will tell you how many people per degree. So 3360 divided by 140 is 24 people. 24 people per degree. Now there's 360 degrees, so 360 times 24 should give us the answer 8640. 8640. Okay, hang on, let's go back. 8640. Alright, happy with that one. Happy with that one. Question 25. The table shows some information about CDs, rock, pop and jazz. A CD is chosen at random. The probability that rock is 1 out of 20. What's the probability that it's jazz? Now, if you've got rock, I've got some funny numbers coming up down there. If you've got some rock and it's 1 out of 20, and you've got 2 of them, so that would be 2 out of 40. So there must be 40 altogether. So 2 plus x plus 2x plus 5 equals 40. So 3x plus 7 equals 40. So 3x equals, take that away, 33. So x equals 11. Now we've got the probability that it's jazz. So jazz is 2 times 11 plus 5 out of 40, yeah, which is 27 out of 40 for the jazz. 27 out of 40, the probability. Next question. Right, I don't know what's going on with all these circles and things. Anyway, y equals x squared minus x minus 2. Draw the graph. Oh, right, okay. So let's do what we know, yeah? 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is there. 1 minus 2. Oh, what's that? Put it in the wrong place. Okay, so do that again. 0 minus 2 there. And 1 minus 2 is there. And we've got 3 and 4. 3 and 4 up there. Now it's a squared, so it's going to be a lovely shape that looks like that somehow. But we've got to fill these in. So 2. Let's put 2 into there. So that will be 2 squared, which is 4, minus 2, which is 2, minus 2, which is 0. So we've got 2 and 0. That's there. Now put minus 1 in there. Minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 1 is the same as plus 1, so that's 2. Take away 2 is 0. So minus 1 and 0 is there. No, yeah, it's looking good. So the other one's going to be up there somewhere. Minus 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 2 is 6. Take away 2 is back to 4. So we've got 4, 0, minus 2, 0, 4, a pattern. So minus 2 and 4 is going to be up there. And so best efforts to draw this. And it's going to dip down there. It's supposed to go through all the little crosses and things, but it's going to be something like that. You get the idea. A pencil is much more accurate than me using a tablet. Which of these numbers, well, write these numbers in descending order. So we've got to work out what all this means. Now, 9.56 times 10 to the 3. I'm going to go 9.56 and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So it would be there. So that will equal 9560. So I've got 2 of them. I could do, it's a calculator paper, what am I doing? 9.56 times 10 to the power of 3. 9, yeah. And the other one is 9.56 times 3 to the power of 10. It's quite a big number, that one. So this one on the calculator came out as 564,508.44. Now we've got to write them in descending order. So this one's the biggest, 9.56 times 3 to the 10. 95639560. This one's the next one. 9563 and 9560. Okay. I don't know what question we're on now. Lost count. Right. Okay. What y equals x plus over 3 plus 9. Make x a subject. So let's take away 9 first from both sides. So I've got y minus 9 equals x over 3. And then multiply by 3 both sides. So I would have 3 y minus 9 equals x. And then multiply out the brackets. 3y minus 27 equals x. Got any more? Next question. Use trigonometry to work out the length of x. Right, trigonometry. So, ca, toa. Yeah, let's label them up. Opposite and hypotenuse. Not interested in the adjacent, don't come into it, yeah? So we want something with the opposite and the hypotenuse, which is sine. So we've got sine 72 equals the opposite, x divided by the hypotenuse is 8. So then we can rearrange that to have 8 times sine 72 equals x. And all we've got to do then is go 8 times sine 72 is 7.6. 7.6. Now, is that smaller than the hypotenuse? Yes, it is. So that equals 7.608. That'll do, centimetres. Right. Righty-ho. So, we're back there. So let's scroll up. Strange lines in there somewhere. So there you go. So that's the paper 2 from way back in 2017, but they're fantastic practice. Keep doing them again and again and again. Okay, so don't forget you can always subscribe to the channel. I'd like you to come along on this little journey. Every past paper will be here from every exam board you've ever thought of, and even from some you haven't. Make a comment. Want me to do something? Made a mistake? Let me know. Down below there's links to lots of other videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.